Hi, this is Joe Maciarz from Tutoring Enterprises. Today we want to take a look at the standard form of quadratic equation, and we want to ask the question, what does C do? So that's what we're going to study in our graphing calculator. Let me get that up. So here's our graphing calculator. Last time we were studying A. I know I told you we were going to do B right away, but I think it's actually a little easier to do C first, and then we'll go and do B. But what we're going to do is just come over here and stop the animation of A that we were doing previously and come back and highlight C to animate this. You want to go back to equation and then animate parameter. And we'll do that, and let's see if it changed things around. Yep, it did like normal. So let's just change this to -4 to 4, and I think I'm going to speed this up a little bit by just having it go by 41 steps instead of 21 steps. We're not going to see anything really special with this. In fact, we really don't even need this line. It's not going to be of any real... Well, let's actually put in a line that might reference from the part A. And we'll go ahead and play the animation of C and see what happens. Right now C is equal to 1. Let's go ahead and play it. And it's not a big surprise for those that are pretty aware of what C is. C is the y-intercept, and by changing it, you're changing where it's going to cross the y-axis. Since we're not changing A or B in this equation, you'll see the vertex remains relatively the same in terms of where it is compared to, let's say, the dashed line, and the width, the shape of the parabola doesn't change, if you will. Since A is not changing, the parabola is opening upward. Nothing there is changing. So it's exactly the same parabola in each of these pictures, and it pretty much looks that way. Basically, let's go take a quick look here. Let me pause this. You'll see again, let's make this 2. So C is 2, and we can see that it's crossing at y equals 2. If I change this to 1, then C is equal to 1, C is equal to 1. This is where it's crossing. This is where y, when x is equal to 0, the only thing left is just this little part right here. And so y, which is equal to f of x, and f of x, which will equal just c at that point, will just be that particular value. So c will be that y-intercept. A couple other points. We got 0. We've got, well, -1.6. and let's say -3, which is just right here at the tip of our screen. So C isn't doing anything too spectacular, just moving everything up and down, and you will see this in lots and lots of equations where one of the parameters is just assigned to move things basically up and down. So that's the end of this particular video on quadratic equations. Again, the ending credits here, if you will. This is Tutoring Enterprises. I'm a tutoring firm, basically, just myself. My name is Joe Maciarz. I have a website at www.tutent.com. My email is tutent@nebraska.ir.com, and if you want to get a hold of me, call 402-421-3536. I do online tutoring through Skype, and I'm set up to take appointments in both math and physics. I also do a little chemistry if some people are interested in that type of thing. Thanks for watching, and I hope that extra little bit of quadratic equations helps you. Thanks for watching.